In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Owly in Hootsuite. If you're looking to optimize your social media management and streamline your workflow, Hootsuite's Owly can be a real game changer. Let's dive into the process step by step. First off, let's open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Go ahead and type Hootsuite into the search bar and hit enter. You should be directed to the Hootsuite homepage. If you're already a user, fantastic. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you'll want to create an account first and then log in to get started with these tools. Once logged in, you're ready to start using the Owly link shortener. To do this, locate the Create section in your Hootsuite dashboard. This feature is fantastic for tidying up those long and unwieldy URLs that can clutter your social media posts. Having shorter URLs not only looks cleaner but also helps you stay within character limits on platforms like Twitter. Paste or type the link you wish to share into the post composition field. You'll see an option that says Shorten with Owly. Select this to trim down the URL efficiently. This step makes your link compact and visually pleasing, which is especially useful if you're sharing links across various social platforms. Now that your link is perfectly shortened, you can proceed to finish crafting your post. Add any additional content, captions, hashtags, or images to enrich your post, and then publish it straight to your desired social media accounts. Hootsuite makes it really seamless to distribute content across multiple platforms from one spot. Apart from link shortening, Hootsuite offers an AI-powered content tool called Owly Writer AI. To get started, simply navigate back to the Hootsuite homepage and select Start with AI to find Owly GPT, or go into the Create section and select Content with AI to access Owly Writer's options. Here, you'll find a variety of features like Get Inspired, create a post based on a trending topic, and repurpose top posts. These options are designed to make content creation more efficient and creative. For Owly GPT, you'll enter your prompts right into the chat window. For Owly Writer AI, input details about the content you're looking to create. This could be based on a specific topic or prompted by a URL you're referencing. Once the AI generates your caption or content, take a moment to review it. While AI is powerful, it's always a good idea to ensure the generated content aligns well with your brand voice and goals. Make any necessary changes and finalize your post. With these tools, managing and creating content on Hootsuite becomes not only easier, but also more effective. That's it for today's walkthrough on using Owly in Hootsuite. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you maximize your social media efforts.